Holi is one of my favorite times of the year, so let's celebrate with Thandai Mahalabia that is so decadent and rich. We will start by heating some milk in a pan. To this we will add some cream, sugar, cornstarch which will help this to thicken. Whisk this vigorously to ensure no lumps are formed and let this simmer until it gets the super silky texture. To this we will add a Thandai syrup for the classic Holi flavor and mix until well combined. Transfer this to your serving glasses and we will set this in the fridge. For the rose jelly, add some water to the pan along with cornstarch and rose syrup. Whisk it until smooth and let it thicken until it just coats the back of your spoon. Pour a thin layer on top of a set Thandai layer. This rose layer adds such a lovely pop of color and floral aroma. We will set this in the fridge and now it's time to decorate. I have used some fresh kiwis and chopped nuts like pistachios and almonds, but you can use any toppings of your choice. Trust me when I say this is an ultimate Holi dessert that you are going to fall in love with. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.